Today, I'm going to be showing you how to enter a referral code on Temu. Let's get to the video. Alright, I'm going to head over to Temu real quick. And as you can see now, we're on the home page of Temu. And once you get on the home page, you're going to go up here where your name is at. And then you're going to go ahead and click coupons and order. Once you click coupon and order, it's going to take me here where I could put the referral code. So what you want to do is you want to go right here. You're going to put in any referral code that is given to you, and then you're going to press apply. Now, for the people who don't know what a referral code is on Temu, a Temu referral code is a code that allows users to win rewards whenever someone signs up using their referral code. So you could send it to your friends or family, and every time they sign up, you win rewards. So once again, guys, I want to say thank you guys for clicking this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, and also don't forget to smash that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post on this channel.